It's hot outside, and are you looking for a refreshing drink that's sure to impress your guests? Then you have to try Sekanjabin. This traditional Iranian drink is said to have been created by Avicenna, one of the greatest scholars of the Middle Ages, as a remedy for heat stroke. It quenches your thirst, cools you from the inside out, and is often served with fresh cucumber in Iranian restaurants. In this video, we'll show you how to make it easily at home. Let's go! We start by adding water to a small saucepan, and then some sugar. Keep the heat low, otherwise the liquid can thicken quickly and turn bitter. Stir occasionally until the sugar has completely dissolved and you have a clear syrup. Now it's time for the fresh mint, washed and left whole. We simply add it to the syrup and let it simmer for a few minutes. The aroma that fills the kitchen is absolutely wonderful. Next, we add a little vinegar, and give everything a gentle stir so the sweet and tangy flavors come together perfectly. After a few minutes, we take the pot off the heat. Now we add just a touch of rose water. A little goes a long way, but it really makes all the difference. We let the syrup cool down completely with the mint still in there. It keeps on steeping and releases every bit of that fresh flavor. Now we remove the mint and strain the syrup through a cheesecloth, or a fine mesh strainer works just as well. And there it is, our finished Sekanjabin syrup. Perfect! We pour it into a clean bottle. Now it's time to make the drink, and for that, we start by grating the cucumber. And here comes the best part. First, we add some of our syrup to the glass, then the grated cucumber, cold water, and a few ice cubes. A few drops of fresh lemon juice, some fresh mint leaves, and finally, a lemon slice on the rim. And just like that, stunning! Be sure to visit chefoffpersia.com and discover even more from the world of Persian cuisine. You'll find authentic recipes, exclusive masterclasses, exciting products, and tips on where to enjoy authentic Persian food at restaurants. You'll find all the links in the description.